In 1949, a bolt of lightning struck a remote forest in Montana, igniting a fire that would become known as the Man Gulch Fire. The blaze spread rapidly, fueled by dry conditions and strong winds. Smoke jumpers, elite firefighters, parachuted in to combat the inferno. Among them was Wag Dodge, who, in a desperate bid for survival, lit a fire around himself, creating a safe zone. This innovative tactic saved his life, though 13 others perished. Could lightning's fury be tamed by human ingenuity? This tragedy led to new firefighting techniques, forever changing forest fire management. Hit like, subscribe, and comment